My name is Gloria Quinlan, and I'm professor of music at Huston-Tillotson University. However, I would like for you to join me on April the 26th at Bass Concert Hall at the University of Texas, Austin. They're bringing Trey, McLaughlin, and the Sounds of Zamar. That concert, again, April 26th, and it starts at 8 p.m. But I will be doing a lecture on gospel music so you can learn more about where Trey McLaughlin's music came from. You're going to find it to be very, very interesting. They're a group that's singing contemporary gospel. I kind of call it pop gospel. Trey has a very fine group of musicians. He's from Georgia, and he sort of gathered all of them together. He's performed with people like Richard Smallwood and many, many, many great gospel artists. So we look forward to seeing you. And please come to my lecture. You'll learn a lot more.